Okay, I wasn't planning on making this video, but my boyfriend and I went to the mall in San Jose, and I walked into the Morphe store just to kind of see what was sold out and what people were buying and what people were sticking their fingers in. And then as soon as I walked into the store, I saw this. Morphe knows my weakness. A Morphe full eyes 9-piece subscription box.
Oopsie, I meant mystery box. I repeat, mystery box.
So when I was looking online to see if there were any unboxings to see if it was worth buying, well, I couldn't find any, so I decided I was gonna buy it so you don't have to. So we're gonna open it today. Yay! Oh, I hope I didn't break anything. Okay, all right. I have a nice handy dagger here. Ooh. And now we're gonna get into the fun. As you can see, I was waiting for you guys. I didn't dig into it at all. It still has a nice shiny little stickers on it. All right, here we go. You ready? Ah, that's such a wonderful sound, isn't it? Ah, why do I get so excited with these things? All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. There's a bunch of these little red crepey things in there to make it look all aesthetic. The first thing that's in here is a pair of lashes. And these lashes are called Posh Premium Lashes Sills Premium. These lashes are extra long. This is for a very serious, dramatic look, which I guess would be appropriate for the holiday. You see that? Look at that. Woo-wee, those are daring, but they look beautiful though. The next item is Blushing Babe's Pop of Pink Blush Trio. Let's see what this looks like. Blush Trio. That could be a lot of different things. Let's see. Comes in the standard Morphe black case. They all really look the same. Morphe never gets real creative with their packaging. No, I guess that's pretty. It's not something that I would probably get into. It's a little light even for me. Let's see if we can get that to focus there. Focus, bitch, focus. There we go. Okay, I'll swatch these for you. There's the first shade. There's the second shade. Oh, that first shade was called Free. And this shade is called Spirit. This actually goes on prettier than I thought. These actually are much more wearable than I expected on the actual hand and on the skin. This next shade is called Rule Breaker. These are actually very pretty. And they're very nice and textured. The shade Free is kind of shimmery. I don't know if you can see that in the pan and through the camera, but it does have a nice little shimmer to it. Very subtle. All right, onward we go. Next item. Here we are. A whole bag of goodies. All right. I was trying to guess what things would be in here, and I said, I bet there's going to be a palette, I bet there's going to be some eyelashes, and I bet there was going to be some brushes, but I couldn't guess what else was in there. So, we got 3 brushes. Oh, these are nice. These actually feel like some of their higher quality brushes. Let's see, focus, bitch. That's actually looks pretty good. We got a Morphe R39 brush. We got a Morphe R11 brush. And we got a Morphe R36 brush. Very good. This looks like it's for like a highlight, eyeshadow brush, contour brush. It says deluxe oval shadow brush, but I don't know that I would ever be using something that big on my eyes. This has a highlighter brush and a tapered blender brush. Yeah. Okay. let's see what's in the other bag of goodies. We got a Morphe lipstick in Steamy. Oh boy. Now this is pretty sleek. That is way up my alley as far as the packaging. I don't think I have any Morphe lipsticks actually. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, Morphe, I feel you. Ooh, look at that little emblem on the lipstick. Okay, Morphe, stepping up your game. That red, as you can see, I love my reds. Beautiful, I will definitely be trying that. Steamy matte, I'm living for you. I'll swatch that for you. Maybe I didn't pick the best place to swatch there. Okay, now the other product here is a Morphe lip crayon. It doesn't really have a shade name on here, but it looks like they put these together to create a look. So this is probably the lip liner. I'm gonna swatch that for you. And it's actually much prettier on the hand than it is in the package. It looks a lot more brown, but this is actually a nice nude neutral pink. And the second to the last product we have here is a lip gloss in Frosé. I'm assuming it's got that little focus, 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 focus. There we go. And we are going to open this up. Oh. It's quite pretty, actually. It's real shimmery. I don't know if you can see that there. I'm going to swatch that for you. Ooh, it smells delicious. You can't really see it on the hand. Now, I'm not usually real fond of lip glosses because they're really, really sticky and my hair always gets caught in them and they drive me crazy. But let's try this on just to see if this is one of those sticky ones. It smells delicious. It's actually not too bad. The last but not least is the Big Daddy. Bum, 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 bum. This is the Morphe 350S Natural Glow Shimmer Palette. So let's open it up here and see what it looks like. I was expecting a palette. I wasn't expecting one quite this big, so I'm actually kind of impressed. Let's see here. Oh, this is very, very, very nice. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's a very, very, very shimmery palette. I think every shade in here is a shimmery shade. I'm not going to swatch this whole palette for you. This would become a 30-minute video, but I'm going to swatch a few of them for you just so you can kind of see what they look like. And they don't have names. Morphe doesn't do that for some reason. Ooh. And sometimes Morphe's shimmer shades are really, really nice. They're kind of, and sometimes they're just kind of eh. But these are coming out really, really pretty. I really like this orangey shade right here. This one, I think, is my favorite. And that's it for the box. What did you guys think? Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you think it was worth it. Again, the box was $50. I didn't do the math to see if it was worth what they said it was, but it seems like it, because it was said it was worth just a little over $100, and the palette alone was probably $15, $20, and then $10 for the lipstick and so on. So I feel like I got my money's worth, and I'm actually really, really happy with the shades that I got. And an update on the mystery box, they still have not shipped. I'm still waiting on the mystery boxes to ship. So as soon as I know, you guys will know. All right. One more thing. I am going to be doing another Back from the Dead series, and I have a couple palettes here to put into the series. I have two. I have the Urban Decay 15th Anniversary palette, and I also have the Smashbox Art Love Masterclass book. So which one of these old ass palettes would you like me to do next? Leave your comments again down below. Like and subscribe to my video if you like these kind of videos, and I'll see you guys next time.